Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you Starlink how to replace IP address. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to replace your IP address on Starlink, first what you need to know is Starlink uses CZNet. You do not get a traditional public IP V4 address. You cannot manually release or renew IP like cable or fiber. The only way to replace your IP address is to force a reconnect. So the first method that you can do is reboot the Starlink router. To do it, simply head over and open up your Starlink application. Then be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, on the home screen what you need to do is simply tap on settings. Then once you're inside your settings, here you'll find an option that says reboot router. Simply slide this slider to the right and your router will be rebooted. Then simply wait for 2 to 5 minutes, and this often assigns a new internal IP and may change your external routing path. The next method is power cycle router. Unplug the Starlink router from power, then wait for 5 minutes, which is important, and plug it back in and wait until status shows online on your home screen, and this has the best chance of getting a refreshed IP session. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.